Up combis. In jumped up combis, there too chivalry is not dead, and after you will suffice. My son, you will grow up to be a gentleman. You will respect women and love them. You will not serial date, my baby. You will be clear on what you want. You will not waste time because you know and understand that time is a treasure, influencing moments eternal. You will learn to protect women. You will respect women and love them. You will not serial date, my baby. You will be clear on what you want. You will learn to counter your speech thinking before you speak. Become a priest in your own house. You will lead communities and influence nations. And when you find her, you will keep your eye on her. Not only will your eye be on her, but you will set your heart on her. You will learn from your Father above to make the object of your affections treasured, like the apple of your eye. Keep her. How you will not promise to go and bring her the moon, but moments spent under this artifact of light will sketch vivid paintings of your love coming full circle. And how you will not promise to cross the ocean for her, but imprint your love on her so much that when she thinks of you, oceans become synonymous with the depth of the love that you have for her. You're my little boy, so I will teach you everything that I know. It is of kings that sons learn wisdom on their mother's laps, and to you, my son, foolishness is not an option, and it is not for kings, my son. How you will not gallivant and fall to your demise to the Delilahs, temptresses that come alive when the sun goes to bed, my son. You will learn to keep secrets that heaven has deposited in you for future generations, son. And when kings go to war, David, you will carry your machete, your shield, your sword, and your battle god. Even if it means your head hung, my son, you will keep your word. Real men do not shirk their responsibilities. It is of kings that sons learn wisdom on their mother's laps, and to you, my son, foolishness is not an option. It is not for kings, my son. It is not for kings, my son. It is not for kings.